I've been a bit under the weather for the last about a week and a half, but I have been working on my neon sweater squares, and I've been stitching them together. I stitched a lot of these together last night using I think it's a mattress stitch. I don't know what they're called to seam the squares and stuff together, but anyway, it's coming along fantastic, and it's going quicker than I imagined it would be. And hopefully within the next couple days, as time allows, I will have a full back panel that I'll be able to show off and show you all. If you're new here, my name's Sarah and welcome. So I've been working on the sweater for quite a while now, and I had to crochet together 82 squares I found out from my calculations. So this back panel is going to have 42. The front parts are going to have the remaining 40. And I'm thinking of just having it all as one full piece, no divider, but we're going to see, because it might work out like that. I think I'll actually keep it separated, but we'll see. We'll test it out. We'll make the decision once the front two panels are completed, and we'll figure out whether I want to make them into a single front or just leave them as left and right. But anyway, it's really cool. It's very colorful. I was organizing all of the squares last night, and I was making all the YouTube shorts showing off the dividing and procedure yesterday. And here's some. And now what I found really interesting is you can clearly see the difference in yarns does make a difference when you put it together, but because I deliberately chose to take these metallic different type of yarn and put them, they're going to be surrounded by the other Red Heart style yarns. They're going to basically come and work out pretty well, so I'm not worried. But even if something, this is just a crazy awesome custom, not perfect neon crochet sweater. So that's what we're making. And I just wanted to give a little bit of an update. I also have some better lighting. The lights in our bedroom were going out, so I thought that I would get ahead of it, because I assumed that the lights in our bedroom overhead were the same as this one. They are not, from what I understand, and I'm not about to go wake up hubby to go check them out. I wasn't earlier before I went grocery shopping. But I deliberately chose to get some new LEDs because those were CFLs, some that we haven't switched over since we moved here about 7-8 years back. And now I have nice daylight LED lighting. As you can see, it's on. The colors look very good from what you can tell, and it's gonna look pretty good at night when I'm filming, because a lot of times that's when I have the time to film in the week, is at night. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you for joining me. If you like what you saw, consider leaving a like or even subscribing so that you don't miss out on anything upcoming. And if you'd like to help support the channel, I sometimes have designs over on my Redbubble store. A lot of cool yarn designs. And with that, go craft something, go make something sparkle, and have an awesome day. Take care now.